High above the rolling hills, where the air is crisp and the colors are soft, lived a little cloud named Lulu. Lulu was as bright and playful as a summer breeze, but she carried a secret wish in her heart. While the other clouds gathered to water the earth below, Lulu stayed dry. She wanted more than anything to help the flowers grow.
I wanted to help.
She tried with all her might to squeeze out just a single drop of rain. But no matter how hard she strained, her skies stayed dry.
Please.
Hey, Lulu! Why the long face? Everyone blooms in their own time. Believe in yourself, little cloud. Your rain will come.
So Lou tried again, not with force, but with belief. Did you see that?
We knew you could. Everyone grows in their own time.